you're doing good.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival.
Why are you so excited?
Because we just got done with the deal and money's coming.
And what's
Now
the
straight.
another reason?
Now the another reason is that we are flying. We're flying. Yes, we are flying.
Where are we flying?
So that you should say because you've been more excited by like for anything.
Yeah, so we have another trip which is there, say, about after 2 weeks.
Yeah, like less than 10 days. Yeah.
So we have yet not gotten any time for our itinerary.
Thanks to Brownie. Brownie.
Yeah, I mean, but obvious. But nonetheless, today we got little time, so we just decided to go for, I want to change my hair color, so we just decided to get a new look done.
Right.
I don't know what I have to get yet, but वो वहाँ जाके देख लेंगे.
She knows everything. This is a scam. She has decided what color, what
No.
shade. If you'll actually know, Vruti, you'll actually think that she will not decide before.
No, that's not the thing. I want to go there and see everything, right? Like what
Okay.
options they suggest to me and
सही बात
everything.
है, सही बात है.
Yeah, and I also do plan to get some treatment also. So
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah.
Which treatment, by the way?
I
Some
don't
other
know.
treatment?
I have to go and see over
Of
there.
course.
So yeah, that's about it. Let's see what color we get. And yeah, if you want
No,
to
we
know,
don't get. Only she gets.
देख लो भाई, हम लड़के हैं ना, हमारे साथ ऐसा ही होता है.
I don't get all
if
this.
you want to know about all the things first hand, you can definitely follow our social media जहाँ सारी चीजें पहले जाती है.
Right.
So yeah, stay tuned guys. Guys, we reached our location and उसके एकदम सामने ही सिद्धिविनायक जी का मंदिर था.
Yes.
So we just
Very good
thought
it was.
of coming and taking the darshan. So now we are heading and getting the hair color done. So guys, we finally reached here and we have selected the hair color. Are you set for the... I assume it's going to be a very different look for me, but let's hope for the best. So guys, we've put the color and... Yeah, say?
So guys, I put the color and I'm very nervous about how it's gonna turn out.
Yeah. So I am very nervous कि वो कैसा लगेगा. I've never done something this bold. But all thanks to this person to push me through. Yeah, push me through
Push.
So guys, we finally got done with my hair color and I'm super duper happy. I don't know why, but it feels like I had this color like since a long time. It didn't feel that I've gotten something new. It just felt a part of me. I don't know, for some reason. So I'm already in love with it. So yeah.
A few moments later.
We finally reached home and we are super tired, but we are very excited to meet Brownie. So yeah, we're really looking forward. I think that's the best thing, whenever we go out, we immediately look forward to come back home and meet Brownie. So yeah, looking forward for it. He's only good boy with mama. He's only good boy with mama. Good boy, Brownie. Good boy. No No, Brownie. No. See? See? He listens to Mama. Hi guys. So catching up with you guys. Maybe after a week we have gotten zero time to do anything, for the trip. I don't think so. We have made proper itinerary yet. The thing is, we've been super packed up with our meetings and work, so we barely got any time. So today I just decided to get my nails done. It's due since a long time, and I think 3 days are left for the trip, so I just thought of getting my nails, my all parlor work done. So just thought of taking you guys along.
2 hours later.
I have reached here and the work has already been started.
I finally got done with my nails. I don't know, it took like an decade to complete this nail, but I'm quickly running because I'm super late. बाकी की कहानी बाद में. Bye. Cookie. Guess who came to pick me up?
और कौन आएगा?
Yeah, we are heading for a house party and
Friends.
reaction time.
Oh wow.
How's it?
Very nice. So cute. Very nice.
Which one you liked?
यार अभी तो देख रहा हूँ मैं. ये अच्छा, ये cute है. Nice, very nice. The other one?
It's same, but
Okay.
so guys, we are leaving for a house party of my friend and we are already very late. So I will tell you what happened with me, okay? Matlab, I don't even know what to share and where to start from. So I had taken my appointment for 3 o'clock, okay? And I don't know what happened. I booked my Uber, okay? And it took me
Okay.
to the different branch.
Okay.
And I didn't realize until the process was started and everything, they cut my nails and everything, then I realized this is a different branch.
Okay.
I was like, no big deal.
Okay.
Yeah, no big deal.
Okay.
कि कराना है तो करा लेते फटाफट. And I was in a rush. मैं time frame लेके आई थी that say by 7 I'll get free and we'll go out, blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah.
But what happened?
What happened?
I showed them the design and everything, okay?
Okay.
And बाद में they are saying कि मैडम हम ये कर नहीं सकते हैं.
Okay.
And I was like,
Not so okay.
मैं फ्रीक आउट हो गई
Okay.
बिकॉज वैसे ही दिन कम है.
Okay.
प्लीज वैसे ही दिन कम है ऊपर से they are not able to do, they are asking me to change the design which is not possible because I wanted a specific 3D design cause I'm going to Bali, of course.
Okay.
I called the different branch ki you have any slot available, I can come. So they said they're completely booked, and that was the moment I was like, I'm dead, like I don't know what to do. But I had a very big savior in my life जो I think मेरे को हर प्रॉब्लम से वैसे ही बचाता है. But this was completely unexpected. I mean, this was like यार, how will he know anything about it, what will he do? But this boy
I'm cute like that.
and I was panicking, okay? I was panicking. I came outside the salon. I was panicking. What to do? I called him up. I said, Vidur, see, this has happened. He's like, don't worry. Relax. Don't worry. And I was, I was like, I'll talk to you later. I'm irritated, this and that. Then I was trying to find nearest salon. But मुझे कुछ मिल नहीं रहा था and my brain was not working, okay? And my phone was also acting very stupid at that time. They were not showing me anything. They were all showing weird location. And he's called me and he's like, listen, go here. I've already spoken to so and so people I think you spoke to how many? 6-7 people?
That's okay, no problem. If anybody wants any kind of help regarding nail extensions, I have a lot of knowledge right now. All these 6 beautiful ladies have assisted me in what to do, how to do acrylic or get temporary. Okay, I know everything now. So any tips, please feel free to let me know.
Yeah, so he's like, listen, don't worry, I have booked your appointment, you just directly go here. And he said he's explaining everything. And I was like, जान में जाना. I literally reached there, I rushed there, and I had मुझे उनको कुछ explain करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. They just started my process and everything. And after 5.5 hours, legit 5.5 hours.
Yeah, trauma.
Because of course वहाँ पे भी time waste हो गया. And in the new salon which I went.
Okay, now be happy. Now let's be happy. Happy brownie, happy.
So in the next salon I went, they literally, they started everything from scratch.
Superb.
They are like कि मैम आपके ये press on पे नहीं चलेगा this thing. So it all started.
Okay.
But nonetheless, it's all done and I'm super happy. Browno, are you happy? So guys, we reached here. आजकल हम इनविटेशन बाद में आता है, पहले ब्राउनी की इनविटेशन आती है. So we've reached and we're going upstairs. चलो.
Hello! Oh my god!
कौन आया? So catching up with you all after 2 days. So after party it was super tiring. We just came, we slept off, and yesterday was also super hectic at work because we were wrapping everything before going. And today first half we were just discussing all the itinerary, and right now I think it is 9 o'clock right now, and just doing all the packing, and we have to fly tomorrow. Our flight is at 11:45, so just packing, and I'll just show you all the mess going around. So it is said ki girls always overpack, but so this and that bag we have done vacuum packing. Uske baad bhi there's no space left. I mean, that's Vidur's section, and even though after that also he has put some of his clothes here, and this is my section, so you can see ki it's not always the girls who are doing their overpacking. But nonetheless, that's it for this vlog, and from tomorrow there'll be new vlog. We are flying, so stay tuned. Great content is coming out. We have really planned the itinerary really well, so stay tuned for everything.